Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on the Zenty 4K IPTV Encoder. If you're looking to elevate your streaming setup, you're in the right place. The Zenty Encoder delivers stunning 4K resolution at 30 Hz, making it a top choice for live streaming. Start by connecting your Zenty Encoder to your source device using an HDMI cable. Ensure you're using a high-speed HDMI cable to support the 4K signal. Next, power up the encoder and connect it to your network. For a stable connection, consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah. Country boy stepping, country boy stepping, yeah. I'm country boy stepping, yeah. They can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, link something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah. I'm country boy stepping, country boy stepping, yeah. I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top of the top, I can't ever take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah. Can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, link something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be.
Now, access the encoder's web interface by typing its IP address into your browser. Here, you can configure your video and audio formats. I recommend setting the video codec to H265 for better compression and quality. Remember, while H264 is widely supported, H265 gives you that extra edge in quality. One common mistake is not adjusting the bitrate settings. Aim for a bitrate around 8 to 12 Mbps for 4K streaming to prevent buffering.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
Don't forget to test your stream before going live. After your settings are configured, it's crucial to check the output. Use tools like VLC Media Player to verify that your stream is working as expected. Lastly, if you face any issues, consult the user manual or online forums for troubleshooting tips. Remember, the best IPTV provider is just a click away. Check out the 2TV store for top quality streaming solutions. Link in the description.